Effective teaching. Successful schools consider teaching to be effective when students master the material, not just receive it. Teachers are the #1 school-based factor in a child's education. That's not surprising considering a teacher's job is to help students master the skills and information they need. Let's watch and see as 2 teachers engage all students. Notice that the first teacher has the students read from the board in unison.
Remember, we're not looking for any time the character does, says, or thinks something. We're looking for things the character consistently or always. Circle that word.
The second teacher repeats the exercise until all students are on track.
2 halves. And what's 2 halves equivalent to, everyone?
1 whole.
What's 2 halves equivalent to, everyone?
1 whole.
To show the impact of a teacher on a student, consider this. Having access to effective teachers dramatically impacts a child's academic career. A student with a highly effective teacher gains up to a full year's additional academic growth. Over time, this difference really adds up. All teachers enter the field wanting to make a difference. Fortunately, as with other skilled professions, teachers can improve their skills over time and make an even bigger impact. Let's see more effective teachers at work.
Yesterday, we generated a whole bunch of fractions for the clock. And we also talked about how, we've used the pi and circles to help us with fractions before this, all right? So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to use everything that we know, all right? So I'm going to quickly review for you those clock fractions and then review for you how to play the game. Because yesterday when I was going around, I noticed that a lot of people didn't do one particular part. And I want to make sure that you do that. And then I'm going to have you and your partner, a different partner today, roll around the clock. And I'm going to have you do maybe 4 or 5 rounds again, and then transition over to do some work. And then we're going to apply the game to some math work, and then we'll come back and answer some of our questions.
Someone read the next sentence, please. Go ahead, take it down, Jordan.
How long are the snails and grub together?
The snail and the grub together. What operation does this sound like we should be doing in this problem? What is everything you see here leads us to do what operation? Yeah.
Adding.
Adding, good. We're trying to find how long 2 things are together. So we're going to add 2 fractions. You got 3/4. And what's the other fraction that we have? Morella?
1/2.
1/2, good. You got 3/4 and 1/2. We're going to add them. Now, can I add up, taking a look over here or to your fraction pieces, can I add up 1/2 and 3/4? Why not? Why can't I just add up 1/2 and 3/4 as they currently are?
Okay, how did you make that estimation?
Because I rounded to the nearest 100.
Excellent job. He rounded to the nearest 100. Did anybody round it to the nearest 10? Yeah. Nearest 10? Okay. 4 people, don't need you. 4 people rounded to the nearest 10. So 400 plus 500, and the answer is Samaje. Yes, 900. Kian, let's go. 942 minus 287. 290. You round it to the nearest? 10. Did anybody round to the nearest 100? Can you wait till I finish my question, please? Did anybody round to the nearest 100? What did you have?
I have 900.
900
Minus 300.
minus 300. And your answer was?
It was 600.
600. Your answer was? 650. Excellent job. Let's go. I need somebody to read problem number 2. Go ahead, Eric. Hold on. Pencils down. Eyes up here. Go ahead.
Pokemon and Optimus Prime were having a race. Pokemon said, a cheetah can run 60 miles per hour. I can run half as fast as a cheetah, Optimus Prime said. An elephant baby can run 16 miles per hour. I can run double that. If they were both telling the truth, who actually won the race?
Who won the race? And right now, I'm not really thinking. I'm seeing numbers, and I'm like, I'm really not thinking. So whatever you have to do, explain it so I can get what you did to get your answer, okay? Go ahead, Joseph.
Pokemon said that a cheetah can run 60 miles per hour, and he said he could run half.
And half of?
60 is 30.
Okay, so I'm going to put P equals 30, is it? Okay, keep going.
And then Optimus Prime said a baby elephant can run 16 miles per hour, and I can run double that.
Okay.
Double 16 is 32.
Okay, so, okay. Who won the race?
Optimus Prime because he can run 2 more miles per hour than Pokemon.
If you got it, hands. If you got it, hands. Excellent job. If you got it, hands. I'm up here. Okay, let's go. Number 3, in and out. In and out. 7, in went in, 22 came out. First, I need the rule. First, I need the rule. Rule. Tyrese, did you work out the rule? You didn't get a chance to work out the rule? Now think about it. If I have 7, 22 came out. 3, 10 came out. 5, 16 came out. What do you think the rule is? Times 3 plus 1. Excellent job. I love the way you worked it out so fast. Excellent job. Times 3 plus 1. 10 is going to go in. What's going to come out? I'm up here. 10 goes in. Joshua, what comes out? 31. Times 10 times 3 equals?
31.
Joshua, 10 times 3 equals?
10 times 3 equals 30.
Plus 1 equals 31. Excellent job. 54 times 8. 54 times 8. Just give me the answer. Deviante, did you get to that one? What was the answer? 100?
132.
Was it?
Yes.
Okay, excellent job. 73 times 9. 73 times 9. Depris on here. 73 times 9. Demetrius.
73 times 9 equals 43.
Equals what?
64.
Was it? How can, oh, no. We are 73 times 9. Talk to me. I'm here. Oh.
Yes, I put one.
Minus, focus, attention. Come on, now talk to me. Let's go.
9 times 3 equals 27. Put the 7 down and plus the 2. 9 times 7 equals 63 plus 2, 35.
You said 63 plus 2.
Oh, 63
Plus 2.
plus 2 equals 65.
Excellent. 657. Thank you. Let's go. Write the first 10 multiples of 7. I want you in unison going over it. Give me the answers. First one would be?
7,
Then.
14,
Then.
21,
Then.
28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Oh, was it? You were ahead of me. Let's go. Read the short passage that I have. Derek.
Experts put tiny round beads inside the oyster. Then the oysters are returned in their baskets to the sea. From time to time, workers pull the baskets out of the sea. They clean off moss and seaweed from the oyster shells. Why do the oyster receive such good care? It is because in a few years the oyster will cover the bead with a shiny coating. It will then become a pearl.
Thank you. Excellent job reading it. From time to time, workers, Makai, clean the oysters. The bead inside an oyster becomes Baraka. Okay, excellent job.